Listen, I ain't got time for no introductions. As you can see, I'm already desperate of an underarm wax. I don't even know how this happened. Thank goodness for Kotamu Wax Kit. Gonna try their underarm formula to wax up one of these arms. Has already been added and the woman already melted and ready to go. This is the pre and post wax solution. Gonna put the pre-wax solution on first, spread on the top, wipe it up on my arms, get my arms ready, clean and prep and ready to go. Listen, I don't even know how this happened. But we came back, I guess got rid of him last month. I literally can braid this. I promise it just happened. Like I waxed this last month. Maybe it was 2 months. 1 month, 2 month, three. I don't know. Life be life, and you see, if life is life for you, don't stop doing what you have to do, and that is including your self care. Oftentimes, we tend to put others before ourselves, especially if you are a woman who wears many hats. You're a mom, you're a wife, you work in the community, you manage so many other different things. And sometimes we just get up, we be on go, and the last thing that we look to consider is ourselves. So we have to make a point as women to change that because, and this is cliche when I'm going to say it, but you can't pour from an empty cup. If you have a lot of people that depend on you and rely on you, if you're running on empty, how can you ever pour into others what you don't have? That even comes down with your creativity, your ideas, your talents, and all of those other elements of you. Take some time to get back to doing those things that bring you joy. If that's reading, if that's painting, sewing, if that's writing music, dance, if that's like traveling, whatever it is that brings you joy, whatever it is that sparks that light within you, don't let your light dim out, okay? And definitely don't let your light dim to be pleasing to others because like your light is too bright and it disturbs others. That's a personal problem for them. If your light is beaming and they just can't get with it, you don't have to stand next to me. That's what I would tell them. You don't got to stand next to me. If I'm too bright for you, if I'm too illuminating, then baby, here goes some shades. And I know that sounds cliche as well, but I think sometimes we minimize ourselves way too much. We let people push the envelope way too much. Like you set up a boundary and people just be like, to hell with your boundary. And they just do whatever they want to do because often in the world, most people are self-serving. You do have those who put others before themselves, but man, it's a lot of people in this world that only are here to serve themselves. Like so many leeches and so many moochers that will literally hitch themselves to you to get what they can get from you. And so don't let any vampires just suck the life out of you and just suck your soul and use all your gifts and your talents and your ideas and just pull from you, never pouring into you. Or listen to this, pour in the bare minimum thinking that they giving you or doing something when you are definitely emptying out more, and you can't take two from one. Okay, that math just don't add up. So if it getting to the point to where you feel yourself being drained, baby, you just need to take a reset. Take some time, close some doors, ignore some messages, ignore some phone calls, do whatever it is you got to do to get back to you, because if you don't take care of you, who will? Somebody told me that they like when I go off script, and here it is. But make sure you get the Kotamu Horror Wax Kit. I really am loving this kit. It comes with like 5 or 6 different waxes. Make sure you get it by clicking the link in the description, and I'll see you next time.